Hi, Ankita.
Hi, ma'am. Good
How are
afternoon.
you? Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Ankita, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Before starting that, congratulations for completing your course.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Ankita, introduce yourself and about your native and college.
Myself, Ankita V. I'm from Chikbalapur. I've done my education and completed my graduation in 2023. After that, I was working as a design engineer. Therefore, I dropped that, and now I'm moving to abroad for my higher education. Therefore, I wanted to learn more about the construction management as I'm taking construction management in my MS course. So that is my upcoming course. Therefore, I wanted to learn more about this. So I joined to construction management.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
This was basically from my college, where my friends used to discuss about this academy, where the teachings will be great and there will be placements. When I was studying, they used to discuss about this academy. Therefore, I opted this.
Okay, like any of your friends joined the course? How it is?
As I know, one of my classmates has joined here. Her name is Rambi Kumari. She has done some steel, like some course she has taken here
Okay, that's nice. Okay, like in which mode you have joined, like offline, hybrid, or online?
online.
Okay, like how was the online coordinator support? Like when, how you used to get the updates, like at what time with session and how you were
Uh,
joining sessions?
First, I got contact with Vidya ma'am as online coordinator, and later on, I got they have made some group online group batch match batch, and there if I had any doubts or regarding the notes or anything related to the classes, I used to contact Divya ma'am. Even she has helped me to.
Fine. How you used to get the timings, like when at what time what session is going on and the joining link and all how the notification was
Normally,
given.
yeah, normally my online sections were quite flexible. Like it was used to be in the evening times where I was able to complete my works and all, and therefore I used to take these classes in the evening times. Major and more classes were in the evening times, from 4 to 8 that way. So it was flexible.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how was the trainer's support towards you? Like, the when the session was going on, how they used to teach us, and how they helped you out.
Like the trainers were very friendly and they used to arise the doubts even if we were not asking or any questions, even if we are not raising any questions, they used to explain deeply so that there was no questions to arise. And and the notes they used to give us was like it was very easy to understand and grab the things.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how about your software sessions? What are the softwares you have learned?
I have learned AutoCAD and SketchUp.
Okay, how was the trainer support? Like, when the software sessions were going on, how they used to teach?
AutoCAD was very frequent and everyday, and those sections were quite simple because as I was working as a design engineer, I know a lot of things about those softwares, so it was quite simple for me to learn from them. Yeah, it was good.
Okay, like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors who wants to join the CMTI?
I would suggest that CMTI is like where students can have a best choice here because there are a lot of placement. As I've seen during my online courses, I've seen a lot of students have been placed, and there is a lot of industrial aspects of teaching. Therefore, that is very much important rather than after our education. Industrial knowledge is very much important. I would suggest students to opt this.
Okay, Ankita, that's nice. Like, thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am.